How to hide followers and following list on Twitter. If any day you would like to hide your followers and following list on your very Twitter account or your X account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the very X application on your mobile device. In order to do so, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device, search X or the Twitter application there, and launch the very Twitter application or the X application. Otherwise, you can manually search the very X application or the Twitter application by scrolling left or right until you find the very application. And after you find the React application, you have to tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see the interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to go to the profile icon on the top. After you tap on the very profile icon on the top, you have to go to the option of settings and support, and then go to the option of settings and privacy. After you tap on the option of settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option, that is privacy and safety, and tap on the option of privacy and safety. After you tap on the option of privacy and safety, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of audience and tagging. After you tap on the option of audience and tapping, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to enable protect your post, and you also need to enable protect your videos. And when you enable protect your post and protect your videos, now your very followers and the following list will be hidden on your very Twitter account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.